Welcome students in my biology classes in series which is related to the CBSE NCERT science. Now in next class we are going to start the next topic of first chapter, which is life processes, nutrition in plants. In last class we had to discuss about the many definition which related to the nutrition. Now in this class we will discuss about the nutrition in plants. In our topic we will cover three special points. First, nutrition in plants. Second, nutrition in animal. In nutrition in animal, nutrition in amoeba, and then nutrition in human being. So our first topic, which is nutrition in plants. So in CBSE NCERT, first of all you have to strictly use the NCERT. First thing. Second thing is you have to prepare systematic notes of NCERT. Clear? So we will take the systematic notes and then explanation on the board. First we take the topic which is nutrition in plants. So nutrition in plants, so first we write the mode of nutrition in plants. Which mode of nutrition in plants? As per our last class, the mode of nutrition in plants is autotrophic nutrition or photoautotrophic nutrition, in which plant can prepare their own food with the help of solar radiation or light. That time it is called photoautotrophic nutrition. So we write the first point that mode of nutrition is the photoautotrophic nutrition. Second point, the name of food formation in a plant. That means the special name given to the plant for food formation. The special point is called photosynthesis. The photosynthesis means the process by which plant prepare food with the help of sunlight. Photo means light or sunlight, synthesis means the production of food. So the process by which plant prepare food with the help of solar radiation, the process is called photosynthesis. So we write the name of food formation in plant is a photosynthesis. Next is the site of photosynthesis. Where the photosynthesis takes place in a plant? Photosynthesis takes place in a plant cell. In a plant cell, name of organelle is called chloroplast. The chloroplast, and then in chloroplast, the two site, first is called grana and second is called stroma. I will explain in the process of photosynthesis. So in cell, in chloroplast, first area is a grana and second is called stroma. To grana, where the light reaction takes place of the photosynthesis, and in stroma, where the dark reaction takes place in the stroma. These all reaction will be explained in the next photosynthesis topic. Number 4, photosynthetic or photosynthesis product. The name of product which produce at the end of photosynthesis, which is glucose. Clear? When the photosynthesis completed in the plant, it produces glucose, and the final food product in a plant, is starch. So these are the 5 important topics which related to the nutrition in plant and their explanation in detail. Again repeat, the mode of nutrition in plants is autotrophic nutrition. And autotrophic means the photoautotrophic nutrition. The photoautotrophic means the type of nutrition in which plant prepare food with the help of solar radiation. Name of food formation in plant, that means a technique by which the plant produce the food is called photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis, it is a plant cell. And in plant cell, the name of structure is called chloroplast, and then in chloroplast it prepare the food. Now the two sides of chloroplast, first is the grana. The stack-like structure is called grana, and the liquid matrix is called stroma. So at the area of grana, that time it used as for light reaction, and then for dark reaction stroma is used. So the site of photosynthesis, it is important for 1 mark question. Photosynthetic product is glucose. So glucose is the first product of photosynthesis, and then final product of photosynthesis starts because this glucose convert into starch. So it is some information about nutrition in plant. Now we will take the next topic, which is photosynthesis in the plant. It is a main and important topic, which is photosynthesis in plant. In this topic we will take the definition of photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis. In the process we will take the light reaction, then dark reaction. So it is a synopsis for the topic which is nutrition in plant or the topic which is photosynthesis. Clear? So we will take, you can take a screenshot of his systematic notes. So now we take the topic which is photosynthesis in plant. First of all, as per synopsis, the definition of photosynthesis. The definition of photosynthesis means the process by which plant produce a food. Plant produce a food with the help of solar radiation or sunlight plus carbon dioxide plus water and then chlorophyll. The process is called photosynthesis. Again repeat the definition. The process by which plant prepare food with the help of solar radiation, carbon dioxide, water and then chlorophyll. That time the process is called photosynthesis. The word refer, photo means solar radiation. Synthesis means the preparation of food. So food prepared with the help of solar radiation, that time it is called photosynthesis. So it is a definition of photosynthesis. Second topic, which is process of photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis, we can take the diagram of plant cell and then chloroplast. We will draw the only structure of chloroplast. So it is the double membrane organelle it contains the structure which is called thylakoid or the grana. These all are the thylakoid, and the area of thylakoid it contains the dotted structure. So first the structure is called chloroplast. After then the stack-like structure is called grana. The two structure of chloroplast, first is called grana, thylakoid, and then dotted structure is called chlorophyll, and the liquid structure in chloroplast is called stroma. So important points of the chloroplast. Chloroplast is the cell organelle, double membrane cell organelle in a plant cell. It is responsible for produce food by the process of photosynthesis. It is double membrane. The stack-like structure or the tubule-like structure, they are called grana. On grana, the structure dotted-like structure, they are called chlorophyll, which is called photopigment. The chlorophyll is called photopigment. And then the liquid matrix which present in a chloroplast is called stroma. So grana is a site for light reaction and then stroma is site for dark reaction. So it is just overview where the photosynthesis takes place in the plant. Yeah. Next we take the process of photosynthesis. In this process, first we take the required material for photosynthesis. Required materials, first essentiality is chlorophyll, second solar radiation, or sunlight. Then third is carbon dioxide. Third is carbon dioxide, and then fourth is water. So these are the four sources which required during the time of formation of food or in photosynthesis. First is the chlorophyll. Now these chlorophyll in chloroplast. It is generally present in a chloroplast. It is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and then xanthophyll and then carotenoids. So it is a complete photopigment. The construction of these photopigment is photosystem first and then photosystem second. Clear? So it is a chlorophyll. It is the system of different chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoid, and then xanthophyll. That time it constructs the system which is called photosystem first and then second. And both obtain the different range of solar radiation. That means one obtain the solar radiation of 680 nanometer, one obtain the solar radiation from 700 nanometer. So it is about chlorophyll. So chlorophyll present in chloroplast. Type of chlorophyll, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and then xanthophyll, and then carotenoids are the total four different photopigments. Next is the solar radiation of sunlight. Solar radiation from sun. The two range of lights, first is 680 nanometer and second is 700 nanometer solar radiation. CO2 from environment, from air, where it is present 0.03%, and then S2 from water from soil. So these are the source or important points for photosynthesis. So first we take the definition of photosynthesis, means the process by which plant prepare food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, water, and then CO2. Second, the requirement or required material for photosynthesis. Second point. So required materials are as chlorophyll, sunlight, CO2, and then water. Chlorophyll we obtain from, it is present in a chloroplast. It is of four types: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and the remaining two are photopigments, xanthophyll and then carotenoids. And then construction of four type of photopigments are called photosystem first and photosystem second, because they use two different type of light frequencies. Next is the sunlight. Sunlight obtained from the solar radiation of sun to 680 and 700. Third point, carbon dioxide from air, 0.03% in air. And number 4, H2O from soil. H2O from soil. So it is a requirement of photosynthesis. Next topic. Next is the two reaction. First is light and second is dark reaction. First we take the light reaction. Photosynthesis takes place by two processes. One is the light reaction, second is called dark reaction. So first we take the light reaction. First of all, the definition of light reaction. The light dependent reaction in which solar radiation used to produce the ATP. That time adenosine diphosphate plus inorganic phosphate join and then convert into the ATP with the help of solar radiation. That time it is called light reaction. Again repeat the definition. The light dependent reaction in which solar radiation used to join the ADP and then inorganic phosphate and convert into the ATP. That time it is called light reaction. Here the word is very important, which is light dependent. Dependent. That means it is completely depend on light. Clear? Next is B, site of light reaction. Site of light reaction in grana. It is a structure of chloroplast or stack-like structure. It is called grana, and on grana the structure is called chlorophyll, where the light reaction takes place. Third, which is important, so you can easily understand what is the purpose of light reaction. The two purposes of light reaction: first, the light reaction receive the solar radiation and use the solar radiation to join the ADP with the inorganic phosphate and then convert into the ATP. So it is the purpose of light reaction. In light reaction only the ATP formation takes place. Clear? So it is the purpose of light reaction. Now in next class we will take the two part of light reaction. First is cyclic reaction and second is a non-cyclic reaction. In cyclic reaction we will take how the electron travel in the system, and then non-cyclic how electron unable to travel then enter into the new cycle. So light reaction, two cycle. First is a cyclic reaction, non-cyclic, after then dark reaction, which is also called C3 cycle, and then C4 cycle, Kelvin-Benson cycle, which we will take in the next class. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and also share to the other students so they can easily understand these simple topic of 10 CBSE NCERT. Thank you.